The use of high-quality and durable grinding screens is essential to ensure the efficiency and productivity of industrial mills used in a wide range of industries. Pavanelli Europe, worldwide manufacturer of grinding screens, with its team of Italian engineers, has developed a conical perforation screen for the grinding of fine particles 20% more thicker than conventional plates, which has excellent wear durability compared to conventional grinding screens due to the heat treatment it has undergone. High-performance grinding screens can bring a number of advantages to your industry, and in relation to conventional screens, it may present up to 50% in the open flow area, thereby increasing the efficiency and productivity for your milling process. In 2015, in tests conducted in a large pet food industry located in Brazil, the third largest pet food market in the world, Pavanelli Europe's conical grinding screens showed an average durability 22 hours of continuous production on average due to heat treatment. Conventional standard screens without heat treatment, however, presented an average of only 10 hours of work in the mill. This represents a significant reduction in screen maintenance and replacement costs, in addition to increasing the uptime of these mills. Through this study, we found that the choice of the ideal screen is critical to ensure superior and more efficient production, with reduced wear and increased durability of the grinding screens. In addition, the use of Pavanelli Europe's conical screen, thicker and heat-treated, provided an 82% reduction in actual mill stoppages due to screen breakage. Also, during the week of tests we performed, the preparation time for screen change in the mill was only 60 minutes per week, because a smaller number of screens were used to complete the requested production, thus generating a reduction in energy costs. While the use of conventional screens required about 200 minutes in the same production period, the use of a larger number of screens was verified, which consequently caused more interruptions in the operation of the mill, thus raising the energy cost of more starts of the electric motor of the equipment. The application of innovative technologies can be the key to improving your grinding production processes. With this in mind, by adopting Pavanelli Europe's heat-treated conical perforation grinding screens, you will achieve significant results for your business. Visit our website and discover our high-performance grinding screen solutions. Contact us, talk to our technical team, and improve the efficiency of your milling process with Pavanelli Europe technology. Italian grinding screens.